What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're talking about an exciting new gold exploration company to the channel, and that company is called West Red Lake Gold Mines. Now, West Red Lake Gold Mines is a gold exploration company focused on the historical Red Lake area up in Ontario. The Red Lake Gold District is one of the richest historical gold districts with over 30 million ounces of gold coming out of the ground. So we're going to be talking all about this company. It's a very interesting company. You guys know that I love gold, and I've talked about gold for quite some time on the channel, so I'm excited to be talking about a new gold exploration stock, small cap stock. So with that being said, guys, I bring you West Red Lake Gold Mines, and of course, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video, so check the description down below for full disclosure details. I do own a small position of shares within the company, which can all be found in the description, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. So with that being said, guys, I'm excited to introduce the company to you guys for you to then, of course, do your own research and due diligence on the company. Last but not least, if you do support me, the channel, and all the videos, and kindly smash that like button. It takes just 1 second every time, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications on future videos and updates. And I do want to say that we're going to be doing an interview with their CEO. So I'm also really excited to interview their CEO. We're going to talk all about their properties, their projects, and all that stuff. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing I wanted to say is, if you are interested in the company, check out westredlakegold.com. That is their website. We will also be taking a look at their stock and their investor presentation. But first, let's just find out a little bit of information about the company. So West Red Lake Gold Mines is based in Toronto and focused on gold exploration and development in the prolific Red Lake Gold District in northwestern Ontario, Canada. The Red Lake Gold District is host to some of the richest gold deposits in the world and has produced 30 million ounces of gold from high-grade zones. The company property is located 15 kilometers west of the Red Lake mine complex of 3 mines and 2 mills operated by Evolution Mining, previously operated by Goldcorp. West Red Lake Gold Mines has assembled a 31-hectare property, which has a 12-kilometer strike length and 3 former gold mines. So they've got lots of awesome videos on their website. You can take a look at their investor presentation right there from their website, or click on their key project. So they do have a really nice technical map along with some highlights. We will be going over that in depth in the CEO interview that we will be releasing shortly after this video. But I wanted to now take a quick look at their stock. And as we know, gold equities have struggled a little bit. Gold's pulled back a little bit. But myself, I do remain bullish on gold despite the weakness in the market. And I'm hoping that gold can perform, a lot better later on into the year. I like gold for many reasons. Of course, a hedge against inflation. We all know how much money printing is going on right now. So myself personally, I like to have a certain allocation towards gold and gold equities as part of my overall investment strategy. So of course, that's my strategy. This video is not financial advice, but I do simply like to offer my opinion. So let's take a look at this stock now. 3.5 cents to 20.5 cents with a market cap now of just $16 million. How has the stock performed over the last 3 months? Well, like I said, gold has somewhat struggled, but I am hoping that, we can get a nice recovery over the next couple months, the next couple quarters. So we'll see how things go. But right now, the stock trades for 9 cents. Like I said, it has been as high as 20 cents. Now it's time to take a look at their investor presentation and introduce the company. So focused on high-grade gold in Canada's Red Lake District. It is traded on the CSE under ticker symbol RLG. So some investment highlights. 1,087,000 ounces inferred high-grade gold in the prolific Red Lake Gold District of Ontario, Canada. Resource potential open at depth. Diamond drill programs ongoing at the West Red Lake project in 2021. West Red Lake project property of 3,100 hectares hosts 3 former gold mines located 15 kilometers west of Red Lake mine complex of Evolution Mining, formerly owned by Goldcorp. The West Red Lake project is situated on 2 key regional geological structures known as the Pipestone Bay at St. Paul Deformation Zone, PBS Zone, and NT Zone. Evolution Mining is a joint venture partner at the Rowan Mine property, RLG 64%, operator Evolution at 36%. Management team has a successful track record of growing junior resource companies and attracting acquisition partners. So take a look at the team. It's always good to do your own research and due diligence, but let's see where the team comes from. So their executive chairman, Tom Meredith, who's a former president and CEO of Lexum VG Gold. John Heslop, vice chairman, former president and CEO of Thunderman Resources, and former president of PDAC. For anyone who knows, PDAC is one of the world's largest mining conventions. I actually had the pleasure of going last year before this whole global illness hit, so that's really interesting. John Contact, former president of Victory Gold Mines, that is their president and director. And then their exploration manager, Ken Guy, over 30 years of experience in exploration and development projects. Take a look at the team. The team looks to be highly experienced, and that's also very important when it comes to doing your own research and due diligence on a company. So location, Red Lake Gold District, one of Canada's most prolific mining jurisdictions. So here we have Red Lake. There's many different mining jurisdictions. So the Red Lake Gold District, Red Lake, Ontario, Canada has produced 30 million ounces of high-grade gold. 24 million ounces of gold production has come from the nearby Evolution Mining mines, Red Lake, Campbell, Cochinur, and Gold Eagle. One significant area gold mine. Other significant area gold mines include Madsen, Hasaga, and Bateman. And like I said, we will interview their CEO and we'll have more details when it comes to the technicals. Evolution Mining and West Red Lake Gold Mines have a joint venture on the Rowan Mine property. West Red Lake Gold Mines own 64%, as we mentioned, Evolution owning 36%. Good potential to expand the Rowan Mine Gold Mines to depth and upgrade the current Rowan Mine resource. Preliminary studies ongoing. NT Zone and the structural intersection target 1.5 kilometers east of the Rowan Mine shaft, provide significant exploration potential. Primary exploration targets, Rowan Deposit, NT Zone, and structural intersection. So here's their Rowan Mine, NI 43-101, which is the official resource estimate, and they have a total of 1,087,700 ounces of inferred gold at 7.57 grams per ton, which, I've looked at a lot of gold companies, and 7.57 grams per ton, at least in my opinion, does look pretty good. Here we have the NT Zone. NT Zone has good exploration potential. 2 kilometers long NT Zone has strong results from exploration drilling. NT Zone to be a focus of exploration drilling over 2021. NT Zone exploration. Exploration drilling focus has been near the south property boundary. Shallow drilling in 2018, 2019, and 2020 indicates several gold zones with good grades and widths. Ongoing 2021 drilling planned to extend gold zones to depth and along strike to the northeast. Mount Jamie Mine Property. Mount Jamie Mine Property is 100% owned by RLG. Produced gold from 770-foot deep shaft during the 1930s. The PBS zone crosses the property and hosts the former Mount Jamie Mine, Rowan Mine, and Red Summit Mine. Finally, we have the Red Summit Mine Property is 100% owned, consists of 2 claims within the Rowan Mine Property situated on the PBS zone. Red Summit Mine hosts several known gold zones and a 575-foot shaft, last in production in the 1930s with average grade of 14.6 grams per ton. Drilling provided high-grade results and opportunity for expansion of gold mineralization. So, as we know, they are an exploration stage company, so let's talk about their exploration progress, and then that will be it for the introduction. So, completed multiple successful exploration drill programs at the NT Zone in 2020, analyzing geological and geophysical data for future exploration targeting, exploration drilling to continue throughout 2021. So let's skip to 2020. As we know, exploration drilling at NT Zone and geophysics earned 64% in the Rowan JV preliminary studies ongoing, and for 2021 planned exploration drilling at the NT Zone, Rowan Mine, and structural intersection. Geophysics, data news releases, environmental, and scoping studies planned for this year. So guys, the final thing we're going to go over in this video is their strategy. So the near-term strategy is to explore high-grade gold at the 2 kilometer long NT Zone, explore the Rowan Mine to greater depth and the structural intersection. Long-term strategy is to realize the greater potential of the West Red Lake project, including the NT Zone, Rowan Mine, Mount Jamie, and Red Summit mines, and the structural intersection of the PBS Zone and the NT Zone. And finally, to explore and develop a gold property asset that is attractive to the mining industry and the investment community. Like I said, guys, head on over to their website if you are interested in this company. I thank you very much for watching this video. Drop some comments down below. Let me know what you think. Of course, please do remember that this is a sponsored video. So for full disclosure details, check the description down below, along with always remembering that the video is not financial advice. So with that being said, thanks so much for watching. Always remember Departures Capital and Departures stocks are for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. We'll see you guys in our next video.